This is for the ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. We're working on the song I Can't Give You Anything But Love, and we're going to be adding a lot of fancy, fun stuff. So I'm going to do another play-along version for you, but I've slowed it down significantly. We're going at 80 beats per minute. So this will give you more of a chance to get some of these chords under your fingers. And time to be able to include fills and a solo and some chord substitutions. I think I'm going to add a little fancy here and there just so you can see where we're heading towards. Again, the starting note that we sing on is a G. Here's our beat. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. Here's a solo. Scheme a while, you're sure to find. D minor 7, happiness A9, and I guess all the things you've always pined for. G, I'd like to see you looking swell. Doesn't sell, baby, till that lucky day you go darn well, baby. I can't give you anything. I can't give you anything. But love. I threw in a little bit of fancies there just to show you what we're going to be talking about in the classes to come. Enjoy and thank you.